Hi guys, it's Tanya and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, welcome. This channel is mainly for wig reviews, synthetic wigs to be exact. So if you're interested in some affordable wigs, some affordable like fly looks, stay tuned. Okay, and go ahead and subscribe. So today's gonna be a really easy wig. I'm actually gonna like bust out a few reviews today. This was like one that I added last minute, but it's so simple. It's a full cap unit, and she isn't a stranger to the YT. This is really like an older unit, a lot older unit. It is by Sensationnel, and it is a fashion wig, and the style is Anita. I have her in this pretty violet shade. I'm a little scared, I'm not gonna lie. I did watch a few YouTube videos on her, but I'm a little scared of the style, not the color, because your girl do color, but I'm scared of the style. I'm not really sure the price. It depends on what website you purchase it from, but I do think that she's probably under $20. So if you're looking for a very affordable cheap buy, this will be the one for you. Okay, so let me go ahead and talk about the cap construction. Of course, like I said, she's a full cap unit. This is how she looks. Turned, well, somewhat inside out. I have the straps, you know, clicked because I have a small head. She has two combs? There's one comb in the back. Oh, it's only one comb in the front. So it's one comb in the back and one comb in the front to secure her down so she won't be flying off your head. I do prefer two combs, but you know, whatever. Let me go ahead and throw her on and see if we can style her. I gotta get my tools. Guys, I look like somebody's thought-ass grandma with this wig on. But she is crunchy. I'm gonna take this Simply Styling silicone spray. Just lightly spray. We're gonna brush her out. Woo! And guys, oh my god, this wig is small head friendly. That's not gonna work. This wig is small head friendly. Let me tuck my baby hairs in. But this wig is so tight. I have the straps clicked like all the way, but I honestly didn't even need to do that. Let me take this AirPod out. But yeah, I have the straps clicked tight. And she is shedding, just FYI. Okay guys, I'm back and this is a finished look. I love short wigs, and people in my life know that I always tend to go like grow my hair out really long and cut it, and I always regret it after I cut it, but it's so cute when you first cut it. And so this is a way to get your short cut look without having to cut your hair. Of course, there's other shorter wigs if you're not particularly fond of this Pixie style. They have one with the bangs. I am about to purchase one that recently came out without tray called, I'm not sure if I want to get Luxie or there's another one. I think I'm gonna get the other one because it's very similar to, I think it's Kishana by Sensationnel, but I didn't get my hands on it just because. So yeah, I'm trying to get my hand on it for all the girlies, purchase it so I can do a review for you guys. But tell me what you think. I got this because of the funky fun color. I actually also got this in what other color was it? I got it in a denim color and a black, regular black. I feel like the black may look too mature for me, but we shall see. I saw a few girlies pull it off while I'm adding accessories like a hat or a headband, so I might be able to pull it off. But yeah, tell me guys what you think. Well, I have some earrings, but I don't necessarily wear earrings because they get tangled in the wigs. But yeah, and then the eye color to go with it. Like, your girl is slaying today. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more finds. I'll put the name and the color for the wig in the description box. However, I'm not sure if I'm going to, just because I know you guys probably like, where's the links? But I'm not going to be posting links as much anymore because I feel like making revenue for these companies without getting anything back for it, barely a feature. So I'm just going to just post the information for the wig in the description box, and y'all can search for it. I always use Google. When I see a wig I like, I Google that joint and I find it. That's how you gotta start doing things for yourself, ladies. Start doing things for yourself. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and you can also go to my TikTok and Instagram. I have more content there. Have a blessed day. Bye.